How to export in 4K from Filmmaker Pro. First of all, open the app on your device and load the project you want to export in 4K. Next, make sure you have completed all your edits including trimming, adding music, effects, transitions, text and stickers. Review your video carefully to ensure everything looks perfect before exporting. Once you are ready, tap on the export button usually located on the left side with the download icon. In the export settings, select the resolution option and choose 4K for the highest quality output. Keep in mind that exporting in 4K will result in larger file sizes compared to lower resolution. You can also adjust other settings like video quality to optimize your export. After selecting your preferred 4K settings, tap the export button. Filmmaker Pro will process your video and save it directly to your device gallery. Once completed, you can also share your 4K video directly on social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook or WhatsApp for the best viewing experience. Now you know how to export in 4K from Filmmaker Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more video editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.